Bisdak, and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Teacher Malu, your jolly online teacher in English. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, I am inviting you to please click the subscribe button at click nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated po kung may bago tayong upload. And let me guide you in your English journey, and together, let us explore and discover the jolly world of English only here on Bisdak English Teacher. I was invited to a birthday celebration, kaya bago yung background natin, mga pagkain. So mga kabisdak, ano bang tawag natin kapag ikaw ay nag-celebrate ng birthday? Is it celebrant or celebrator? So yun po ang ating pag-aralan. So stay tuned. Well, according to Merriam Dictionary, ang first definition po ng celebrant is a person who performs or leads a religious ceremony. At pangalawa, a person who participates in a religious ceremony. At yung third definition naman ay a person who celebrates something. Ang definition po, or ang dalawang definition ay klarong-klaro na ang priest or ministers who performs or officiates sa isang religious rite, sila ay tinatawag na celebrant. So, for example, ikaw ay dumalo sa isang kasal. So, gusto mong malaman kung sino ba yung nag-officiate ng kasal. So, tanungin mo lang, who is the celebrant at your wedding? Or sa isang patay naman, who is the celebrant during the funeral? So, ang celebrant din po ay participant in a celebration or people celebrating birthdays and other special occasions. At yung celebrator naman po, ito ay synonym word ng celebrant. So, if you are also participating or if you are celebrating your birthday, so ikaw din po ay pwedeng tawagin na birthday celebrator. But take note lang po, ang isang priest or officiating minister ay hindi po siya pwedeng tawaging celebrator. Celebrant lang po. Pero kung ikaw ay nagdiriwang na yung birthday, so acceptable. Pwedeng-pwede na tawagin kang birthday celebrant or birthday celebrator. Okay, so mga kabistak, puntahan natin yung friend natin na nag-celebrate ng kanyang 28th birthday na si Miss Glaisa. Tara, puntahan natin. Okay, so this is Miss Glaisa, our birthday celebrant or celebrator. Mga kabisdak, kapag ikaw ay nag-celebrate ng birthday, okay po or acceptable na tawagin na celebrant ang isang nag-celebrate ng isang birthday at pwede din ang isang celebrator. So, interviewin muna natin yung celebrator natin na si Miss Glaisa. So, Miss Glaisa, how do you feel that you are celebrating your 20th birthday? Pwede Bisaya or Tagalog? Pwede na.
Malipayon, syempre, malipayon kay
Sige lang.
Sige na? Malipayon kay naabot ko edad 28.
Okay, so guwapa kayo, no? So, she is our celebrant or celebrator.